Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make fish soup in Dreamlight Valley. This simple 3-star entree is a fantastic way to boost your energy. You'll only need 3 common ingredients to prepare it, making it a quick and easy meal. Let's dive right into gathering what you need to cook up this delightful dish and restore 978 energy. To begin, you'll need 3 ingredients. First, grab any single fish you've caught. It doesn't matter if it's a common or rare one. Second, you'll need 1 vegetable. A carrot is an excellent and easily accessible option. Finally, you'll need 1 milk, which can be purchased from Remai's pantry. These 3 items are all it takes for this recipe. Once you have your fish, vegetable, and milk, head over to any cooking station. Interact with the stove and place your chosen fish, vegetable, and milk into the pot. Remember, you'll also need 1 piece of coal to fuel the cooking process. With these simple steps, your delicious fish soup will be ready in no time, providing a quick energy boost. Congratulations, your fish soup is now complete. This hearty 3-star entree will instantly restore 978 energy, helping you continue your adventures in Dreamlight Valley. If you're looking to earn some extra currency, you can also sell it for 368-star coins. It's a simple, effective recipe perfect for any occasion.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.